kayo dyan. One of my favorite, Ampalaya. So, bitter binat kasi may libre kaming Ampalaya. Dami. Gusto pa nga nilang dagdagan kaso tama na. Sobrang daming binigay. So, ayan. May libre ulit kaming gulay. Hello guys, welcome to Ampalaya Farm. So, summer ngayon at wala masyadong gulay. So, ito nadaanan namin. Tingnan natin kung paano nila pinatayo yung ampalaya nila sa gitna ng init. Sobrang init. Sa amin nga yung tanim ko, natutuyo siya. So, we will see how they planted here. So ito yun guys, yung bahay ng ampalaya. So ganito nila pinapatayo. Nilalagyan nila ng pole. Mostly kahoy ginagamit nila para makatayo yung vine ng ampalaya. So ayan yung mga ampalaya nila. May mga malalaki. Ayan. So dito malamig kasi maraming mga punong kahoy na at tumutubo talaga. As I've said, yung tanim ko sa bahay, as in tuyo talaga siya. So, this, sobrang mahalang palaya ngayon. So, they will get enough earnings for this. Kasi sobrang hirap magpalaki ng gulay pag summer. So, pinapatubigan nila, pero kaya natin pumasok. Ayan, yun dami ng ampalaya. Tinitingnan namin yung mga ampalaya nila dito kasi may plano din kaming magtayo ng vegetable farm. So, tinitingnan namin yung way kung paano nila pinapalaki at ano yung mga nilalagay. Kasi wala pa kami talagang experience for vegetable farm since nag-aantay pa kami ng patubig. Ayan si Boy. Nagha-harvest siya ng ampalaya. So, ito yun sa kanila. So, this will goes to Nadiad Market. Malaki-laki din to. Sobrang laki nila. So, here, I learned that even it's 50 degrees, some vegetables will grow. At kailangan lang magtanim ng malalaking punong kahoy. Ito naman, pinapa-red na nila, pinapa-yellow, pinapahinog nila yung ampalaya for the next season. Kasi pag tag-ulan, tumutubo ng mabilis yung mga ampalaya. So, ayan. Ayan yung Ampalaya Farm. Favorite ko talaga yung ampalaya. Kaya yearly din ako nagtatanim, pero during rainy season lang. So guys, the reason why they were able to plant a vegetables here dahil sa mga malalaking puno ng kahoy. Sa Gujarat, sobrang init. Lalo na sa farm area, sa field, umaabot siya ng 50 degrees. Although it's written 42, 45 degrees. Pag kalagitnaan ng araw talaga, nagiging 50 degrees na. As in talagang nakakasunog na ng balat. So, these trees are protecting the farm. So, they will get a good harvest. Plus, they have their own water facilities. So, this is a farmhouse. Sa likod nila nagtatanim. Nababantayan din nila ng maayos. So, each side here is trees that will protect all their plants from the heat of the sun. Libot ng farm. So, this is the houses. So, yan yung mini kitchen nila. At ganyan sila the way nag-iigib. Kepcho. So, yung mga bahay, meron namang sementado. Pero yung floor is made of buffalo's dung. Mas malamig siya. Pag minix mo siya ng mud and buffalo dung, Yan, para siyang naka-plaster, nakapalitada. Tapos dito naman, dinadry nila yung ampalaya. So they're taking the seeds out of it. And then, sa paligid, open field. So they're planting another kind of vegetables. So, ito yung buhay na hinahanap ko, yung bahay, tapos sa likod farm. Aside from the vegetables, hindi talaga nawawala yung pagtatanim ng grass. Kasi nga, as I've said before, most household here ay may mga kalabaw. So, kailangan din nila ng pagkain, hindi lang tao. So, ayan yung ampalaya na pinuntahan natin kanina. Tapos, ito naman yung grass para doon naman sa kalabaw. So, ayan yung may-ari. Ayan, may puno ng mangga. Kaso, ayan, may mga bunga na. And then, meron din silang puno ng sampalok. Sinong gusto ng sinigang. At meron din silang tubig. Sarili nilang tubig, so walang problema. Marami silang tubig. Meron silang halaman dito na may magandang bulaklak. Tapos ito yung henna. Henna to, tapos berries. Yung mga kalabaw nila, andi dito lang. Andito lang yung mga kalabaw nila. It's their own buffaloes, right? This is their buffaloes. So, dito lang nila nilalagay. Tapos, dyan yung bahay nila. This is their mango trees. Kamachilis. Mostly in farm, they have kamachili. So, this village is not really residential area. Farm area siya. So, dito sila nakatira. Tapos, bawat bahay and every household, there is farm. So, here, they're growing grass. Tapos, maliit lang yung road. Ganyan. Ganyan lang naman, pero mas malamig siya. So, you don't feel more heat during summer. So, every side, meron silang mga farm. So, this is also Ampalaya farm. Ayan. They're harvesting. This is a good season for those who have Ampalaya farm kasi mas mahal siya. They're getting 1,000 rupees per 20 kg. So, they're getting enough money for their. So, this, they will deliver to Nadiad. So, this all
vegetable market
will goes to the wholesale market.
Hello.
So, from this, they get all the harvest. And they will get enough money. So, ang gaganda ng ampalaya nila. Oh. It's very fresh from the farm. And then it will go direct to the market. So, yan. They don't hire people to harvest, right? It's the family. The family will harvest. So,
it cannot be big. The daily
yes.
wages. If it is big, they need more people and they will not get.
So, they don't need to pay anyone.
Yeah. More
So,
profit. Like
more profit.
Small
farm gets more profit kasi hindi sila nagbabayad. So the whole family will help each other to earn. So, even children can help in harvesting. It's a really nice place, cool area. And they have their mango trees.
This grass for buffalo.
And special grass for buffaloes. The good thing is here, when we visit farmers, they always give us. That's what I said. Small farmers always give. So this is the whole area. And as usual, you will have the puno ng sampalok. It's good for sinigang. Dami nilang puno ng sampalok. There, mango trees. Sarap mamasyal dito. Malamig na. Libreng gulay pa. So, we're going ahead.